Want to make your BMW look instantly more aggressive and more sporty in just a matter of minutes? Well then listen up. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First things first, if you are not subscribed, go and smash the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay in the loop on all the videos to come. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all the CSL style trunk spoiler that I have mounted to my BMW E92. This thing looks absolutely wicked, aggressive, and changes the whole rear end look of the car. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. And now guys, I've had this CSL style trunk spoiler on my E92 for a few years now. I want to say 3 years. I actually just replaced it for this brand new repainted one. What I will say right off the bat is it looks absolutely great. You can see it transforms the entire look of the trunk and really just the whole rear body angle of the car. I mean, stepping back, you can see how aggressive it looks. It almost looks like a little duck tail. I think basically every BMW that I've seen on the street has like the typical generic high kick carbon fiber spoiler on the rear end of it, and I didn't want to go that route. I wanted something that really made the car look unique and pop out in a whole different type of way. If you've ever seen the E46 M3 CSL style edition, pop that up really quick. You can see the car looks very edgy but has a ton of curves to it. That's basically where the inspiration came for this spoiler right here that I have installed. It really adds such a depth to this rear end that it otherwise wouldn't have from the factory. I mean, look how meaty and aggressive and sporty it looks, paired with the aftermarket wheels and the aftermarket taillights as well. And this spoiler is great, guys, because it comes pre-painted to match the rest of the vehicle, so the whole install process is extremely simple. What I went ahead and did was basically bought some double-sided Gorilla adhesive tape, holds about 50 pounds, mounted it to the bottom, and then really just sat there and lined it up as best I could. And you can see fitment wise, it is pretty great. I mean, coming along this seam right here, there's no weird gaps or anything, and it fits very, very flush to the actual vehicle trunk itself, which basically makes it look like it's all one piece from the factory. It just looks absolutely sculpted, like a talon or like a wicked tail. I didn't want to break up the body lines by adding black carbon right here. It just wouldn't look right. This spoiler makes it look like it's part of the actual whole entire trunk assembly and really brings out that inspiration from the CSL style BMW E46 M3. So an aftermarket spoiler is probably the first thing that most car guys do when they end up buying a car. But if you're only doing that, the car's gonna look incomplete. As you guys can see with the upgraded rear bumper, the wheels and everything else really just makes the rear end of this car look aggressive from every angle. And just showing you guys from a little bit further back, just so you can really take into account how it changes the body lines of the car. I love the curvature it adds to the rear end, and it just gives it some overall thickness on the rear end that otherwise isn't there. So I think it looks great. To come pre-painted, easy install, and look as aggressive as it does, I highly recommend this CSL style trunk spoiler, and I will leave a link for it down below. Well, hope you guys found this video helpful. I highly recommend y'all purchase one of these CSL style spoilers. There'll be a link down below where you can purchase your own, but for the price point it goes for, it is a great way to really make the rear end of the vehicle look so much more aggressive. If y'all found this video helpful, go and smash that thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. And as always, if you guys are not subscribed, go and smash the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay in the loop on all the videos to come. As always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.